How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually make a playlist on Spotify, all you have to do is go ahead and then actually open up the Spotify application here. Once you launch your Spotify app, you will set this type of interface where you want to make sure that you are logged into the account, and then tap the Your Library option from here. And once you tap on Your Library option, you'll find the option called plus icon from the top right, so make sure to tap on it. Now once you make sure to tap on the plus icon, right over here you'll find the option called playlist, so tap on the playlist option. So once you tap on the playlist option, give your playlist a name and then tap the create option, and your playlist will get created. And if you want, you can also choose to add songs to this playlist. If you want to delete the playlist, you can tap the three dots option and tap on delete in order to do so. This way you can make a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.